Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all are waiting for what is today's topic, right? Okay, so before we proceed, guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then I would suggest you please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification for all the videos that I upload. Okay, so guys, today let us understand everything about COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, so we do have lots of questions, right, about these vaccines. I mean, how can we contact hospitals about it, and what about its trial phases, and how is it even heading, right? So let's go ahead and look at it. The first one is how to contact hospitals to enter into the vaccine trials. Well guys, hospitals have actually issued a helpline number to the websites, and the numbers are also shared in the newspaper and other media too. So what we have to do is, interested people can actually go ahead and call them and enroll their names based on the criteria that is given by the hospital. Okay, and next one, what is the criteria in order to participate in the trials of COVID-19 vaccine? Okay, well, hospitals are actually looking for healthy volunteers in the age group of 18 to 55, and they should not have any such ailments like diabetes, heart disease, lung disease, hypertension, asthma, cancer, or any kind of allergies. And also guys, pregnant ladies or pregnant women should not volunteer. Okay, and the next one is, do we need any documents to be a part of the trials? Well, volunteers have to actually fill a form, that is a consent form, which contains all the information regarding the trial. And after counseling, the form is given and signed along with the submission of Aadhaar card. And the volunteer is then registered to the trial. Then the identity of the volunteer is actually kept secret. So we need not worry about our name being displayed. Okay, it's actually kept secret. And the next thing is, when are the volunteers called for vaccination? Well guys, this is very crucial for us to understand when is the right time that they would call us for vaccination trials. Okay, so it is, all the volunteers would actually be first called for the screening. So after we undergo physical screening, blood test, urine test and coronavirus test before it gets finalized. Once the reports are all clear, then the volunteers would be called for vaccine trials. Okay, and the next one is, can the vaccine give coronavirus to volunteers? Well guys, the experts are saying that these trials would actually help us, so it would not give us coronavirus. Okay, so as in what they're saying is, Covaxin is a killed virus vaccine and not like a live virus vaccine. So that is the reason this vaccine acts as an antigen, and as it enters our body, it generates immunity and antibody response. So this vaccine cannot give volunteers coronavirus disease. Okay, and the next one is, will the hospitals pay volunteers for the trials? Well guys, the answer is, what do you think? Well, the direct payment is not there. However, they would be paying for the transport. So in their terms, let us look at it. Volunteers are not paid for participation. However, according to the rules set up for trials, the volunteers get transportation costs. As per a report, partner AIMS, that is AIMS, gives volunteer 1,000 per visit. Okay, so similarly, you can check with your state. And how long volunteers are required to be available for the trials? Well, this is very crucial guys. Once we go ahead and sign up for the volunteer, as in for the voluntary trials, once everything is clear, there is a set time allotted for this as well. So let us go ahead and look at the time period that is actually required for us to be available for the trials. So that is, according to the information included in the consent form, volunteers, that is we, are asked to commit 7 months for the trial. Exactly, 7 months for the trial. And during this time, they are monitored, that is we would be monitored, and our health updates are taken on phone, and when needed they will also call us on the side. Now, are there any side effects of this vaccine trials? Yes guys, it's pretty obvious that when there are some sort of trials being levied on our body, there would be some sort of side effects as well, right? Okay, now let us look at what are those side effects, like pain, skin redness at the site of injection, and fever. Well, it's common side effects of vaccine. And other side effects are shared, so other side effects would be there, but that has not been disclosed now. However, this would be shared with the volunteers in the consent form during counseling hour. Okay. Now, which hospitals have actually been selected for the vaccine trials? So let us go ahead and quickly have a look at the hospitals. Okay. In Delhi, it is AIIMS AIMS, Patna AIMS, Rohtak PGIMS, Gilurkar Multi-Speciality Hospital, Nagpur, and King George Hospital at Visakhapatnam, Jeevan Rekha Hospital at Belgaum, Rana Hospital at Gorakhpur, SRM Hospital at Chennai, Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, that is NIMS at Hyderabad, Kalinga Hospital at Bhubaneswar, Prakhar Hospital at Kanpur, and one hospital in Goa. Okay, so these all are the hospitals which are actually selected in our respective states. So guys, if you think that yes, let us go ahead and be a part of it, then please check with your respective hospitals in order to volunteer for the vaccine trials. So guys, let us all hope that these trials be a very huge successful, and let us all pray that we get vaccine as soon as possible so that we can lead a normal life as before. Okay, so until then, thank you so much, and stay safe, stay indoors, do not get panic, just be cautious. Okay, thank you so much, and bye.